Are you happy, bird? What? What you want? What you doing? Good boy. Merlyn's happy bird. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the dice in the little cup. We're going to shake it all up. Okay, and then we're going to dump it on the table like that. So I have no idea what that is. We have, here's some cards numbered 1 through 6. They're all kind of mixed up right now. And Merlyn's going to try to predict which number is on the dice. Okay, so Merlyn, I want you to memorize the order of the cards. Okay, Merlyn, look at the cards right here. Okay, Merlyn's just out of sight here. He's walking behind the camera right now. Okay, Merlyn, I want you to go and try to find the card that matches the number on here. Okay, there's Merlyn. Here, get your card, Merlyn. Which one? That one right there? You sure you want that one? Oh, no. Make up your mind. Which one, Merlyn? That one? Okay. He has selected a 6. And now let's look at the card or the dice in there, and you can see the number is a 6. So Merlyn, you got it pretty good there. You can do it about 4 out of 5 times, but we're
pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird. Merlyn's a pretty bird. Good job.